Work was actually good today. Busy, maraming ginagawa, sunod-sunod yung task and meetings. Pero okay naman, kasi I was able to finish a lot. Happy ako kasi productive yung day, kahit nakakapagod talaga. Since I'm working from home, pag log out ko, I just wanted to slow down right away. Parang bigla kong gustong mag-switch from work mode to rest mode. So I went to the kitchen and made a simple snack plate, apple slices, banana, and orange juice. Simple lang, pero after a long day, sobrang comforting siya. Then I sat on my chair, turned on my favorite series and started binge watching. At first sabi ko one episode lang, pero alam naman natin lahat how that usually goes. Now it's already late at night. Tahimik na yung room, and the only sound is from the screen. And I'm just here eating snacks, watching, and slowly letting my mind relax after a long day of work. Sometimes being alone at night can feel a little lonely, especially when everything gets quiet and your thoughts get louder. But tonight, it feels peaceful too. Parang ang sarap ng ganitong moments. Simple lang, walang pressure, walang rush. Just me, my snacks, my show, and quiet nights. And honestly, after a tiring day, this is more than enough.